Hello, this is Charlene. We are going to simplify this expression. This is two binomials that are being multiplied times each other. So you typically would think about this in terms of foiling these two binomials. We're going to work them out, ignore the fact that there are imaginary i's in there, and we're just going to foil them. Okay, so the first thing I will do is multiply the 2 times both of these terms. So 2 times a negative 5 is going to be a negative 10. 2 times a negative 3i is going to be a negative 6i. And now I'm going to take the second term and multiply it times the other two terms. So negative 4i times a negative 5 is going to be a positive 20i. And now I'm going to take the negative 4i, multiply it times the negative 3i, and then it's going to be a positive 12i squared. Okay, order of operations tells us to combine our like terms. We have these two like terms in the middle, so that means that my next row is going to say 10. Negative 6i plus 20i is going to be a plus 14i, and then I've got plus 12i squared. Now, if that were an x term, we would deal with it a little bit differently, but it is not an x term. So we are going to go over here and look at our handy dandy little math factoid, which says that I squared is equal to a negative 1. So where there is an I squared, we are going to substitute in the negative 1. So we will rewrite this as negative 10 plus the 14i plus the 12, and there's that I squared. I'm going to substitute in the negative 1. So I will continue with order of operations. I'm going to end up with negative 10 plus the 14i, and then plus 12 times a negative 1 gives me a negative 12. And at that point, I need to combine my like constants. I have a negative 10 minus a 12. So my negative 10 and my negative 12 combine to become negative 22 plus 14i. And of course, our instructions said that our format needed to be an A plus BI format, and that is A plus BI format. So we are completely finished. We cannot simplify it anymore. That is the answer to the simplification of this expression. Hope that helps. Come back real soon. Click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Have a great day.